Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G53 to an Android device. Begin by accessing Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. From here, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola Moto G53, and then select Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on your Android, pick the best option for ads by selecting one of the available ones. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola. Over here, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above to select all of those files. Then tap on Send next to selected. You can also click on only some of your files. I will go with this one. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Finally, pick the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by selecting the scanning icon on an Android next to Input key. Allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time, and pointing your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this 6-digit key instead, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers, and when you're ready, hit Receive button. So when I do that, after a couple of seconds, I can see that my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!